Hey, aloha everyone. Chef Reggie here with Aloha Shoyu. Have you ever wondered what you could do with some leftover stuffings? So today we'll be making stuffed pork loin. You'll be needing pork loin. We'll season the pork loin with some salt, granulated garlic, some black pepper. We'll be roasting some petite Yukon potatoes that will go along with our dish. And of course we'll have our leftover stuffing. We'll deglaze everything with some orange juice, some chicken stock. We'll flavor it with the bay leaf, and of course we'll be using Aloha Shoyu's Guava pineapple. First thing you want to do is we want to butterfly cut our pork loin so that we can roll the stuffing into it. And then we'll start on the bottom. We'll do a real quick slice. And then we just want to keep working our way until we have a nice rectangular sheet. You can also use any type of protein you want, like chicken, beef, but today we'll be using pork. And it doesn't also have to be a loin. You can use pork chop, or you can just cut the middle and then you can stuff it. All right, and here you have it. Nice rectangular sheet of pork loin. All right, at this point we want to season the inside with some salt, some granulated garlic, and then some black pepper. Since we have the stuffing that's already been flavored with herbs, we don't need to flavor it more. Awesome. Now we'll take our stuffing and then we'll just put it towards the middle, spread it around. And if you want the recipe for the stuffing, just go on our website at alohashoyu.com and check out the recipe section. All right, so now that we laid down our stuffing, spread it out evenly. We want to start from the bottom and start rolling our pork loin. And there you go. Now what you want to do is grab yourself some butcher's twine. And we're going to tie our pork loin. First, you want to start from the top, make an initial knot here. And then we'll just work our way down. You want to go around below the pork loin, go back to the center of the knot, go around, pull it down, and making sure that it's nice and tight by pulling on the side and working your way like so. And then when you get towards the end, you just want to make a final knot right here. And then cut them up. There you have it. Stuffed pork loin. And then we're just gonna season the outside with more salt. Granulated garlic. And some pepper. All right, now we'll just go to the stove We're gonna sear all 4 sides of these. All right, so we're gonna start with having a hot pan right here. And then we're gonna start searing the pork loin. We'll start with some oil. Move that around. And just grab our pork loin. I'm gonna sear the bottom seam first. I'm just gonna leave it as is until we have like a nice crust on the bottom. Then we'll turn it and then do all sides. We're just gonna turn it over and do the other side. Right on. Alright, turn it to the other side. We're gonna continue doing this until all 4 sides are nicely seared. Alright, now that we have all 4 sides of the pork loin nice and seared, we're gonna take it out, put it on our cutting board, and then we'll just deglaze the pan with some orange juice. Again, when we deglaze, you want to add liquid to a pan, and you want to scrape off all the little bits and pieces that's stuck at the bottom to get the flavor out of it. And to add to this, we're going to add about a cup of chicken stock. Alright, to this we're going to add our Aloha Shoyu's Guava pineapple glaze. About a half cup. And last but not least, we'll add a little, about 3 bay leaf. 2. Alright. And then this will be our braising liquid. We'll put our pork loin back in. Coat it a little, turning the pork. And then we're going to put this, we're going to allow this to roast in the oven for about an hour, 45 to an hour at 350 degrees. Alright, let's turn off the heat. And in it goes. Alright. Close it. Alright, let's check on our pork loin. We had it roasting for about an hour until we reached internal temperature of 145. So we gave it a little additional time to cook. Now we've reached our temperature and we'll just bring it out. Alright, looking good. Now we just want to take it out of the pan and let it rest on a plate. So we start cutting. You want to give it time to rest, probably like 5 to 10 minutes. And then our sauce looks like it's been reduced in the oven. So we'll just keep this on the side until we're ready to plate. Our pork has rested. Now we're just gonna get some kitchen shears and just cut off the butcher's twine. We're ready to carve it. Let's put it on our cutting board. Nice looking color. And then just give it a cut. See the stuffing rolled up nicely into the pork loin. Just want to set it like that. And there you have it, guys. We have a stuffed pork loin. We used our leftover stuffing for the holidays. Came out really nice. We also served it with some roasted potatoes, and the sauce that we braised it in, it got reduced, and you can use it as a sauce. So here you have it. On behalf of Aloha Shoyu, I want to wish you and your ohana happy holidays, and if you want more recipes, check out our website at alohashoyu.com and subscribe to our newsletter, and we'll see you again next week for another episode of Aloha Shoyu Saturdays.